Alright, let's unbox this handheld cordless vacuum and take a look at everything that comes with it. Right when you open the box, the first thing you notice is how neatly everything is packed. The vacuum itself is sitting right on top. Once you lift it out, you can feel the build quality right away. It's lightweight, but it doesn't feel cheap. The finish is smooth, the buttons feel firm, and the overall design is clean and modern. You can tell it's meant to be something you grab quickly for everyday messes. Underneath you get all the accessories. You get multiple attachments, including the air duster nozzle, the brush head, and a narrow crevice tool. Each one snaps on easily, and they're designed for different types of cleaning. From tight corners in your car, to dust on your keyboard or vents, it's a true 4-in-1 setup. So you're not limited to just vacuuming. You also get 3 washable filters, which is a nice touch. They're simple to remove and rinse, and having extras means you can rotate them without waiting for one to dry. That's something I appreciate because it keeps the suction strong over time. Next in the box is the Type-C charging cable. I like that they went with Type-C because it's the same cable most of us use already for our phones and other devices. Makes charging way more convenient. There's also a small instruction booklet, but honestly, everything is pretty straightforward. Now taking a closer look at the vacuum itself, the motor is brushless, which usually means better efficiency and longer life. You got 2 speed modes, so you can switch between lighter clean or full power, depending on what you're tackling. And with 16,000 PA suction, this thing has more pull than you'd expect for something this size. Overall, just from unboxing it, the whole setup feels well thought out. It's compact, portable, and the accessories make it versatile. I've already used it a handful of times in my car, and it's a solid grab-and-go cleaning tool. Check it out for yourself, charge it up, and see how it performs.